Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update marketing funnels with Podio for real estate. Detailed guide step by step. Start by logging into your Podio account. Navigate to the workspace where your marketing funnels are located. Identify the specific funnel you wish to update. Click on the funnel to access its detailed view. Review the current process and elements within the funnel. Take note of any outdated information or steps that need improvement. Gather updated content, including promotional materials, property listings, and contact information. Consider the target audience for this funnel. Update the lead capture forms to reflect any changes in your offerings. Ensure that the messaging aligns with current market trends. Modify any automated emails or notifications accordingly. Check integrations with other tools, such as CRM systems or email marketing platforms. Test the updates to ensure that all links and forms function properly. Seek feedback from team members or clients who use the funnel. Make any additional adjustments based on the feedback received. Confirm that all changes are saved within Podio. Document the updates made for future reference. Communicate the changes to your marketing team. Schedule a review of the funnel in the coming weeks to assess performance. Monitor analytics to gauge the effectiveness of the updated funnel. Be prepared to make further refinements based on ongoing results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.